Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to show you how to add coolant to your John Deere tractor or your John Deere Gator, and uh, what to purchase. Okay, so we picked up some of this right here. What we're using, Cool Guard pre-diluted engine coolant. That's what John Deere recommends. It's the same whether you got a tractor like this. This is 3025E, but it's probably the same with all their tractors. Over here is a Gator. Same thing with the Gator. So keep some of this on hand so you can add it whenever it's needed. Okay, like I said, this is a 3025E. You got to pop that hood open. You can use the key or a screwdriver, whatever. Just stick it right in there, and that's going to pop that hood, and you're going to open it up. And that's how you open up that hood. Okay, now here is the canister right up in front of your radiator. You're going to fill. It has a cold fill line that you're going to only fill up to when it's cold, and it has a hot fill line right there. So you should be up to this when you're cold, maybe just a hair above. This is where you're going to add it on this 3025E tractor. All right, so we got a little funnel here. That way we don't spill it all over. And we're going to take some of this here and fill it up to the cold fill. Hasn't ran all day, so we know it's cold. So we're just going to fill that up till we get to the cold. Okay, and there, we're just a little bit above. I'm sure that'll be fine like that. And that's all there is to filling it up. Now I'm going to show you how we do it on our Gator as well. Okay, here we have a Gator. This one's an XUV 590M. And we're just going to pull that bumper forward like that. Then we're going to unsnap the rubber straps on each side. Going to go forward. Okay, if you look at this, it's in the front on the passenger side. It's right here. And you can see your cold line and your hot line. Hopefully, if you can't see it on the camera, you'll see it with your own eyes. But we're just going to fill that up till we get to the cold fill line, or maybe just a little bit above that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit in there. Can't go too fast because it fills up. But as you can see there, how high it is now. It wasn't reading anything, but it didn't take very much just to get it to read again over the lines. Okay, so that wasn't much. I mean, you couldn't see anything in the bottle, but that only took like I don't know, 2, 3, 4 ounces just to bring it back up. But if you don't keep that up on that line, it's going to show you an alarm on your dash is going to show you that you need to have a little bit of that in there. So, I mean, that didn't take long at all. Take your funnel back out, and you're going to put your cap back on. And you're good to go. So if you do get that alarm on your dash, it'll show you a little asterisk on your dash, little red light. All right, so this is pre-diluted. That means it's already got water in it. It's already mixed, ready to go. There are other coolants that are not pre-diluted, so then you would need to mix the appropriate ratio of water with it. So just buy it pre-diluted, and then you're going to be ready to go. You can get this at any of your local John Deere dealers here in Florida. We use Everglades Equipment Group, and we get our parts through them. All right, I'm just going to show you this gauge real quick, which gauges are going to light up if you got that problem. All right, I'll turn it on. Look at this gauge right here. If this light lights up, that's going to be your coolant. And here's your part number right here. Okay, it's going to be TY26575. So there you have it. That's what you're going to buy, and that's how you're going to do that. It's really easy. You don't have to run into the dealer for something like that. You just got to keep these things in stock and on hand. So if you like the video, we got a lot more tractor and Gator videos coming out and all sorts of videos. We got over 300 online right now you can go look at. And if you like it, hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. And remember, in God we trust.